Missing 2. I gotta go back and get 2 more. I told that man 26, he gave me 24. I am drilling holes in the legs right now. So as you guys can see, I put most of the holes on some of the raggedy ends because these are the parts that I'm going to have hidden by the frame. So, yep. So what I am doing is I have this piece here. It's one of the scrap pieces. I'm using it as my guide to make sure that the holes are all in the exact same place. So I'm putting my drill in here like so, and then I'm getting started. One side is done here. So here we have the middle hole, and then we have the leg on this side. So with the other side, the leg's going to be on this side. But these are the legs. So this is one side. The bed is together, as you can see here. So that's how the 2 pieces go together. It's not bolted together, but under here is where the bolts go. Have a leg on this side and a leg on this side, and that's how they're kept even without blocking where the bolts go. Another bolt here to put it together, and it will be very easy to move into my son's bedroom. So let me move back a little bit, and there we have his bed. And I also, or his frame, I also have some, I picked up the dressers today, so I can't wait to see how that's going to look under there. I really wish I had enough room for 3, but I think it was off by like a couple centimeters or something. So I don't know. If it works out, then I'll go grab another one. But so the only thing left to do right now is to sand it all down and then paint it. Here is the dresser that goes underneath. I have 2 of them. They're still in the plastic, so I'm not going to take them out right now. But this is what they look like. It's 2. The height is 15 and something or other. So I believe I measured it correctly. We shall see what happens. And yeah. So the width is 24 and the height is 15. So these will be painted gray before it's put together as well, and it will match the bed.